AI demand and former President Trump's comments are positive developments for Intel stock. An Intel executive reported that demand for Intel's new AI chips is strong, boding well for Intel stock. The executive predicts Intel will become the second leading seller of AI chips. Intel stock is greatly undervalued. Let's dive in. Intel stock analysis. AI surge and political winds fuel bullish outlook. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. In recent weeks, two reports that bode very well for Intel stock have surfaced. First, the company reported its upcoming Gaudi 3 AI chip is in line with my previous predictions and is generating a great deal of demand. Secondly, former U.S. President Donald Trump made comments that indicated he would support Intel's efforts to become a major manufacturer of chips. Trump looks well positioned to return to the White House in January. In light of these points, I continue to view Intel stock as greatly undervalued and recommend that investors buy its shares. Demand for Intel's Gaudi 3 AI chip is strong. On July 12th, Intel Chief Technology Officer Greg Lavender reported there is lots of demand for Gaudi 3 AI chip. The hardware, which was expected to have become available to major server makers last quarter, is 50% on average better at inference and offers 40% on average better power efficiency than NVIDIA's H100 AI chip. At a fraction of the cost, Intel reported in April. However, it's worth noting that NVIDIA's vastly improved AI chips are expected to arrive this fall. But as I've recorded previously, Intel as of April had already recruited many impressive customers for the Gaudi 3 chips. Among them are IBM, Nielsen AQ, German conglomerate Bosch, and Bharti Airtel, a major Indian telecom company. And now the comments earlier this month by Intel's CTO indicate the chip has been selling quite well. He stated Gaudi 3 can help the company become the world's second largest seller of AI chips. It would eclipse its arch-rival Advanced Micro Devices, which expects to sell $4 billion worth of AI chips in 2024. In an April forecast that now seems extremely conservative, Intel forecast Gaudi 3 would generate just $500 million in revenue in 2024. Consequently, the street expects the company to sell around $1 billion of AI chips next year. Lavender, on the other, appears to be forecasting around $5 billion of revenue for 2025. As that disparity becomes known and internalized by investors, Intel stock is likely to rally a great deal going forward. Trump's comments bode well for Intel stock. On July 17th, the former president said that Taiwan took about 100% of America's chip manufacturing business. Additionally, he asserted that Taiwan should pay America to defend it from China. Clearly, Trump harbors some resentment towards Taiwan and its chip makers for taking over the vast majority of the semiconductor manufacturing from American firms. With Trump looking poised to regain the White House, he is likely to continue the Biden administration's policy at subsidizing Intel. And given Trump's apparent passion for the issue, his administration may can assist Intel more than Biden has. Of course, such developments would be very positive for Intel and Intel stock. Intel has said that it already has 6 major customers for its chip manufacturing business, including Microsoft. Moreover, NVIDIA has expressed interest in utilizing Intel's chip manufacturing services. The Pentagon earlier this year also gave Intel a Phase 3 certification. According to CEO Pat Gelsinger, the news will lead to additional federal aerospace and defense customers for the company's manufacturing unit. The bottom line on Intel stock. The official forward price-to-earnings ratio of Intel stock is 32.5 times. But because analysts are likely greatly underestimating the profits that will be generated by the firm's AI chips, the real PE ratio is likely much lower. Given the firm's multiple strong, positive catalysts, the shares are greatly undervalued. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.